Templates. A WhatsApp template is a pre-approved message format required by Meta to send messages to customers outside the 24-hour reply window. How to create template? Enter template name used to identify the template internally. Select category, choose from marketing or utility based on the purpose of the message. Choose language, select the language in which the message will be sent. Type, pick the format, text, image, video, or PDF. Body, enter the main message content. Footer, optional, add additional information like a tagline or disclaimer. Quick replies, call to actions, add buttons for user interaction, example, reply options, website links. Preview, see a live preview of your template on the right side of the screen. Save template. Once saved, the template will be sent to Meta for approval.